Emerson from the Spanish school De Una. We teach you the local way of speaking Spanish. Let's work on pronunciation. First, it's very important how to know or how to use the vowel sound in Spanish. So, A, E, I, O, U. Keep in mind that every letter, when it's connected to each vowel, has a sound according to the vowel. So let's try it. R, which is in Spanish R. Ra, Re, Ri, Ro, Ru. When this letter starts the word, the sound is stronger. Ra, Re, Ri, Ro, Ru. Some samples: ratón, reunión, ritual, ronda, ruleta. So please pay attention when this sound starts the word. Sometimes it is in the midst or in the middle of the word, like raro. So listen, the midst, which is ere, raro, ro, aéreo, aéreo. So it's very important when it goes on the midst, because it says ra, re, ri, ro, ru. At the beginning of ra, re, ri, ro, or in the midst ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Inténtalo. Some other similar sounds are G and J, J and G. J is ha, he, ho, hu, jamón, jugo. J, J. G is pretty different. It's ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Gato. Yo tengo un gato. Comparemos jamón con J and gato with G. If you notice the difference, please try to make your own samples. Escribe en los comentarios qué otros sonidos te confunden en español. No olvides suscribirte. Chao.